Hey, 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 beautiful people. It's Jennifer Woolsey, and welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. I'm a little bit later in the day. We're going to do a little lunchtime makeup here. I've been working in my office and trying to get things done and making stuff happen, but I needed to put some makeup on. So, welcome. I hope you're doing great. We're going to do a little bit of Makeup Magix today. And it's kind of a play on words, but I'm going to be using a lot of our products from our AVON Magix line. So I already did my morning skincare regimen, which is the Asinox Anew Ultimate line. Love it. And I've primed with my Magix primer. It's a great primer. So I'm not doing a really intense makeup routine this morning. I'm going to do more of a lighter makeup for like moms on the go, just need to put something on just to have some good coverage and to just kind of be put together. So I'm going to be using my Magix tint. I'm going to be using shade Light today and going to put that on this face. So you can apply this. It's really cool. It's a tinted moisturizer. So you can apply it with your fingers. You can apply it with a brush. You can apply it with a sponge. I'm just more of a fingers girl with this because, why not? If you can, why not just put it on with your hands? There we go. So it goes on kind of like a creamy lotion, and it really feels moisturizing on your skin, which I love that. And it blends well with your fingers. If you wanted to, after, you could definitely go on with a brush. I need to pull it up instead of down, right? Don't help gravity. But you want to make sure that you're matching your neck and your ear area with your makeup. So it's rubbed in. I'm going to take my brush now and I'm just going to kind of staffle it on. Can you already tell a difference in my face? It is crazy. If you do have, I can't get my words out. Have you ever used a tinted moisturizer? They are amazing, amazing. I'm gonna wipe my hands off here. Can do so much good in just a second. So if you're one that you're always like running behind and just running out the door and you just want a little coverage, it's more of a light coverage. A tinted moisturizer is a great option for you. I use my tinted moisturizer a lot in the summer months because it's lighter and I tend to be outside more, probably in the summer months. And it's Texas and it's cold. I don't know what in the world is going on. We like our warm winter weather in Texas and we are not getting it. I'm kind of sad. Can you see the sad? Okay, so I did my Cashmere Complexion Concealer. We're going to do our Tattoo Station Brow Pencil. So if I was just going to go out with a few makeup products, I'm going to show you just the few I would go out with. Of course, that tinted moisturizer and that concealer. I'm going to do my brows here. Making sure I blended well. And I have a friend who she applies all of her foundation with her fingers. I don't quite think that like a liquid foundation or even a powder foundation, you're going to get as good a coverage with your fingers as you would with a brush. But definitely with a tinted moisturizer that goes on kind of like a lotion, it is a win-win. Okay, so we're filling in these brows because your brows are kind of like a picture frame. You don't want to put a picture on a wall without a frame, right? So we don't want to go out without our brows lined. Filled in. Come on, girls. It's quick, it's simple. You're on the way. Okay, next Magix product we're going to use is our Magix Dust. This is a setting powder. It comes in 2 shades, translucent, and I think the other one is dark. I'm a translucent girl, so I'm just going to put a little bit on my face. So you keeping count? We're in 2 Magix products now. Yes, girl. Yes. Okay. So we did that. Oh, we're 3. We're in 3, right? We've done our primer, I'm looking. We did our primer, we did our tinted moisturizer, and we did our powder. All little magic, magic. Okay, we're gonna do a little bit of the Mocha Latte palette. I'm just gonna do a light look on my eyes today because we're doing a lighter look. So I'm going in with one, and I'm going to cover the lid of my eyes. There we go. And I'm gonna use two, and I'm going to just do like the bottom part. Just a quick out the door, want to look put together kind of look. Hey Jacqueline, it is my favorite too, Mocha Latte. Okay, so I'm going in with two, and I'm just gonna do a little crease, not much, pulling it in on the bottom part. A milder eye for the milder day. Do you do makeup every day, Jacqueline? Let me know in the comment section. Typically Saturdays are my no makeup day, especially since quarantine has hit. We don't really go a lot of places on Saturdays, so Saturday's typically my no makeup day because then we get ready for church on Sundays, and I gotta wear makeup to church. So, okay, I'm taking like a brow, let me look for the right brush. Okay, I'm gonna take a thinner brush. I'm gonna take 4 here. Hello, girl. Hello. And I'm just gonna pat a little bit down here. Kind of adding a little bit of liner. With my eyeshadow. There we go. Woo, girl. See, you're already looking put together. And we're doing this just for a quick look. So let's do our Glimmer Stick, Blackest Black, waterproof on these eyes. No, maybe once a month. Girl, you gotta get with it. At least 2 or 3 times a week. I just feel like I'm so much more productive, even if I'm working here at the house when I have my makeup on. I think it's Oprah Winfrey that says, get up, get dressed, and put your makeup on. You're going to be a lot more successful in your day. And I have taken her to heart. Okay. But you always have pretty red lips. That is something that with your dark hair, you can totally pull off. Okay, got a little bit on the eyes. Smudged it out a little bit. All right, let's do some mascara. So one of the things I love about all the Magix products is they are lighter weight. So if you are one that you sweat a lot and you're like, I don't want a heavy product on my face, the Magix line is totally for you. Love mascara. Even if I was going to go out with just a few products, I would do the Tinted Moisturizer, a little bit of mascara, do my brows, and a lip gloss. And out the door I would go. You still look put together. And you still have a good base-like look on your face. I love that this Love mascara brush is bendable. I don't know if you can tell, I've kind of bent mine because it goes better on my eye shape. And it does so much for loving my lashes. It's beautiful. Maybe I'll put a face on today. Yay! Monthly grocery shopping. You gotta love quarantine and the things that have changed in our routine, right? I'm so ready for New Mexico to open back up for you guys. I know you're ready to get out. We're gonna do some Bdl Jelly Blush. And I think this shade is Rose Flake. Rose Flake. So pretty. And you could kind of do a couple of things here. Totally do it with your fingers. Or I'm going to rub it in with my blotter brush and just give a kiss of color on those cheeks. All right. And let's do our Matitude in Respect, if I can get it out. I haven't done Respect in a while. It's such a beautiful, like, nude color. Kind of puts the whole look all together. I just learned something new this week I need to share with my friends that are over 30, over 40. Apparently, parting your hair on the side is not on trend. You're supposed to part it in the middle now. And I tried that this morning, but I feel like I look like I have a butt crack in the middle of my head. What do you think? Middle part, I feel like I can't get it. Like, that's a middle part. And then this is my side part. And I just feel like I like a side part because it gives me a little oomph in the front. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Am I outdated with the side part? Who knows? Okay, so let me recap our Magix products for you so that you can do your own Magix routine at home. So I did first the Magix primer. Bam. It's going to hold that makeup in place, but it's not thick. Kind of feels like cashmere going on. And then Magix Tinted Moisturizer in shade Light. And then, of course, I did my Magix Dust, which I love that setting powder. We did our Tattoo Station eye pencil. We did our eyeshadow quad in shade Mocha Latte, just a light look. Bam. And then we loved, I'm breaking stuff. Loved on our lashes with Love Mascara. Concealer is our Cashmere Complexion and Matcha. Our blush is Bdl Rose Flake. And our lips is the Liquid Matitude in Respect. Bam. A little magic for you today to get your day started. Have a fantastic day. Sick of my hair. It looks bad on me and part it on the side. I want 80s bangs again. Okay, so if we're going to talk about 80s bangs, I have to show you. I went to a new girl who did my hair, and she is super sweet. Love her. She was like, I think you need some layers. And I was like, really? Because I kind of liked it all the same length. And so I have like mini 80s bangs now, Denise. Check this out. They're like chin length bangs. I have not had layers in years, but it does give my hair a little bit more oomph. You can kind of see the way it cuts there around the face. So why not? Go for 80s bangs, girl. Do that little high Texas look. Go for it. I say go. You'll love it. Okay, guys. So thank you so much for getting ready with me this morning. I hope that you have a beautiful and fantastic day. If you need any help with color matching or would like to try out any of these products, definitely leave me a message or send me a private message and I will hook you up. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Find joy in all the small things. Bye, guys.